Well, morning everyone, and welcome back to the Racer Cinema Productions PowerPC week of 2024. So yeah. I had to make a cooling system since the laptop itself overheated. And yeah, it looks like something that you would see in a comedy movie, except it's real. Alright, so let's get Live Type Media 2 installed. Yeah, this is my second day with the 867 megahertz PowerBook G4 12-inch. Here it is. So yeah, I got this program like the others from Macintosh Garden, and once I get it installed, I'll be able to make some videos on it. So yeah, it's been staying up all night and downloading some files that are required for Final Cut Express HD. And yeah, it does need to cool down a bit so I can use this cooling pad for, well, the gaming PC. I bought it for the gaming PC from a thrift store. So yeah, let's jump ahead. Alrighty, so yeah, I got my COVID vaccine shot and I got Final Cut Express installed, so it's time to test out the program. And yes, I tried to put my trusty old PNY hard drive inside of it. Yeah, I inserted it, and when I did, it created some abnormal effects, and this is something I learned the hard way. Never, ever put this thing into this computer. And if you do, it'll make the computer itself look like it got hit by an ESD harpoon. Yeah. Don't ever do that. Just why I resorted to using this thing instead. I learned that the hard way. So, time to go on Final Cut Express. So, I made a short video just to test out the video software itself, and so I don't bake this laptop any further. Yeah, it's been overheating trying to encode a certain program that took too long because I didn't want it to bake itself to death. This thing of vintage computers, they will get hot because as tech gets older, it gets hotter. That's something you have to keep in mind. Alright, so import files. Yeah, this will not have an intro. And the reason why I use the intro with a different Techno-Axe song is because I don't have access to the other intro song. Because it's on my M1 MacBook Pro, which I am forbidden from using until Monday comes around. The whole point is to use this computer for the entire week and do the tricks that, of course, do the tasks and tricks that the M1 is capable of pulling off, well, some of them. Okay, so, yeah, that's our clip. Yeah, it doesn't have an intro and outro because it's basically just a test clip. It's test footage. And all I have to do is export. Alrighty, so I'm going to name this one The Power of the Loud Long Sword. Include audio and video. Hopefully there's no anomalies or abnormalities like with older versions of iMovie. Yeah, it takes like 14 minutes just to export one short video. Yeah, I didn't want to bake this computer. I care about my vintage computers. And it deserves a rest after what it's been through, and especially after having a goofy cooling system. To install this program. So while I wait for it to export, I do want to discuss my other plans with it. I might do some gaming on it. I mean, I do have Warcraft 3 installed on it after all, and I'm gonna make a video of Warcraft 3 gameplay in this series. So I'll be playing through the first batch of levels, and that'll be that. Yeah, when it gets hot, the fan kicks in. So, a couple of days in, I already got accustomed to using this laptop. So, I'll see you when the video is fully exported. Alrighty, so I got the video exported, and now it's ready to upload on YouTube. Yeah, the link for the video itself will be in the description when it's uploaded. And yeah, after nearly baking itself to death and having to endure a goofy cooling setup, I think this PowerBook G4 deserves a long rest, especially for what I'm going to do tomorrow. So yeah. Day 2 is just a preview of what is going to happen tomorrow. But for now, it's time the PowerBook G4 gets its well-deserved rest. And that concludes Day 2 of Racer Cinema Productions PowerPC Week 2024. So yeah, you'll be impressed to see what I'll be doing tomorrow. So catch you guys next time, and peace out. Smaller channels are at risk, and every subscriber means a lot to them. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest Racer Cinema Productions videos. And together, we can help drive the YouTube algorithm away from this channel, so that I don't succumb to the fate of other smaller channels getting defeated by the viewer-based algorithm.